Super water cooling update. Super water cooling update. Oh, sorry. This is all I've been working on lately. Give me a break. Okay guys, water cooling build update time. So you see I started doing some of the tubing, and what I've learned so far is I really suck at tubing. This is my first water cooled build, so we'll see. The only one I'm really worried about right now is this one. I think I might have bent too tight, too much of a radius. I really like how this one turned out. I actually really like how this one turned out. That one's got a little too much slack in it for me, so I'm gonna just cut it a little bit shorter so that it kind of pulls itself in a little. And other than that, we got the 240 80 millimeter in the front there, the 40 millimeter 360 in the top. Around the side here we have, I just decided to stealth the XSPC pump res D5 combo. Everything is Corsair SP120 pressure optimized silent quiet fans. So I got 3 of them up there, 1 of them back there, and then in the back we'll have an airflow 140 and probably an airflow 140 down here depending on what I feel like. So you can see Z87 formula motherboard. We are using the built-in water block. I know everybody's going to be like, "Ooh, it's got aluminum," but frankly, I replace my PC every year and I can handle a little corrosion if it does happen. But we are also going to be using the old Swift Tech with the anti-corrosion in there. So not necessarily too worried about that. Dominator Platinum memory. It's a 4770K. The Newton, the Fractal Design Newton 1000. It's a Newton. But yeah, so I need to tighten this one up here. Other than that, I just need to get the GPUs in. So that video will be coming next. So we need to put the water blocks on the R9290s. We're going to run those in Crossfire. And then, so basically we'll go from the rad into the top one. And then I have a bridge set somewhere. Not that you can actually tell, but this is the 3-slot bridge set, which will go between the 2 cards. And then out the bottom into there, and we'll be done. And then we just have to prime it and send Jay's 2 cents an email and ask him if I'm crazy for trying to loop something that tight. So it's still pretty round, and it seems to have screwed down nice and tight. So we'll have to see what people say about that. Other than that, I'm really trying to keep it nice and clean and tight arcs on everything. That's why, like I said, I'm going to tighten this one up for sure. And this one is actually pretty tight if you look at it from the top radius. So, but that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. This is Tim for TimmyTechTV and an update on my water-cooled build. We'll see you next time.